Hi everyone, I'm JJ Stin with Epic Charter Schools. Welcome back to the Healthy Habits Cooking Show. I'm so glad to be back hosting the cooking show today. Marsha, I'm glad you could join me.
Thanks, it's great to be back, JJ. I always enjoy it. Okay, what are we cooking today, JJ?
So today we are going to be making a breakfast casserole.
We love breakfast casserole at my house.
Yeah,
all right, so what do we need this morning?
So today we are going to need 1 pound of mild breakfast sausage, 1 crescent roll, 12 eggs, and 2 cups of shredded cheese.
Oh, this is gonna be fantastic. I can't wait to get started.
So I went ahead and preheated the oven to 350 degrees, not 60.
350, okay. Well, let's get started then. How about we spray a little nonstick spray in the bottom of our cooking pan? There you go. And then we're gonna take those crescent rolls and open those up, and we'll lay them out in the pan. Give it a little, there you go. Yeah, this can be a little tricky. Okay, and then I'm gonna let you go ahead and roll that this way.
Okay.
And it's got those perforations, but we're gonna keep it all together. I went ahead and browned our 1 pound of sausage, so if you wanna spread that all on the bottom, you can just dump it in there and spread it out if you want to. That sausage already smells good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Next, we're gonna crack these dozen eggs. Do you wanna crack these?
No, I am very bad at cracking eggs.
All right. Hey, do you know what a baker's dozen is, JJ?
No, not really.
A baker's dozen is 13 eggs. All right, I'll get these whisked up for us here. Okay, do you want to pour that on top of our...
I can.
If you'll just get it all over all of it. Oh my gosh, that's going to be so good. Now let's take some cheese and kind of sprinkle it around on top.
Lots and lots of cheese. The best part of every dish is the cheese.
The cheese makes it good, right?
Mm-hmm.
I like cheese too. Well, that looks awesome. We're gonna stick this in the oven for 30 minutes and we'll be right back. And there we go.
This looks amazing.
Oh, doesn't it look awesome?
Okay, so before we try it, you should know that eggs are good for our bone health and our immune system because of the vitamin D they contain.
Oh, that's awesome. I did know that. And they contain choline, which helps with our metabolism.
Nice.
So it's a great way to start the morning.
Yeah, it's a very great breakfast, you know?
Absolutely. Well, should we try it?
Yeah, well, I mean, we should.
Okay. Let's try this, JJ.
I won't come on the fork.
That's a great way to start the
Yeah,
breakfast.
that is amazing. I'm gonna finish this.
It's hard to talk when we have our mouth full,
Yeah,
but it was
yeah.
worth it, right?
Very worth it. Okay. Well, thanks for joining us on the Healthy Habits Cooking Show today. We hope you enjoy this easy and healthy dish. As always, we've linked the recipe in the comments, and we hope you try this one at home and enjoy it as much as we did.
Until next time, stay healthy and happy cooking.
Yeah.
See ya.